AirDrop is incredibly useful when it works, and incredibly frustrating when it doesn't. Here's how to fix it, whether the problem is on your Mac, your iPhone, or between the two. Check the basics first. AirDrop needs both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to be turned on, not necessarily connected to a network, but enabled. Check both on your Mac in the menu bar, and on your iPhone in Control Center. Both devices also need to be within about 9 meters of each other. Now let's make sure AirDrop is set to actually accept files from people. Check AirDrop visibility. On Mac, open Finder, click AirDrop in the left sidebar. Then check what Allow Me to be discovered by is set to. If it says No One, that's the problem. Change it to Contacts Only or Everyone. On iPhone, open Control Center. Press and hold the network tile in the top left. Then tap AirDrop to check the same setting. If it's set correctly and still not appearing, try toggling a few things off and back on. On both devices, turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off. Wait about 10 seconds. Then turn them back on. This reestablishes the local connections AirDrop uses. It sounds simple, but it fixes the issue surprisingly often. If you're trying to send between a Mac and an iPhone, handoff needs to be enabled too. On Mac, go to System Settings, then General, then AirDrop and Handoff, and make sure Handoff is turned on. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then AirDrop, and also check that AirPlay and Handoff is enabled. Without Handoff, cross-device AirDrop can be unreliable. One more thing to check on your Mac. Your firewall settings. Check the Mac firewall. Go to System Settings, then Network, then Firewall. If the firewall is on, click Options. Make sure Block All Incoming Connections is not checked. A strict firewall can block AirDrop even when everything else is set correctly. And if nothing else has worked, a restart of both devices usually does it. Restart both devices. Restart your Mac and your iPhone. Once both are back up, try AirDrop again. This clears temporary networking issues that toggling settings doesn't always fix. Most AirDrop issues come down to visibility settings, or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth needing a reset. Work through these steps in order, and you should be up and running. Subscribe for more Mac and iPhone fixes.